So first, let's start with the label, and just go here on your folders or messages section here on the left, and scroll down, click more, and here at the bottom click on create new label. So we're going to create name the folder or label as tenants, then click create. So that new label or new folder is gonna show up in here. So we have here tenants. Now let's create a filter. Just go to settings by clicking on the settings icon right here and click see all settings. Next is go to the filters and block addresses tab and scroll down to the very bottom, and you can see there create new filter link. So we only need the 2 email address, which means that all emails that are going to this specific email, that this will be saved on that label that we created earlier. Next is click on create filter. We're going to click on apply the label and then select this one, and that's it. Click create filter, and now our filter for the tenants is created, which is this one right here. So emails that are going to this same email will be moved over to this label or folder that we created earlier. Now let's start testing that out by sending a message. It's gonna be tenants test mail and hit send. Let's go over here. Let's just refresh page, and there you go. So we've got the tenants label. As you see there, there's one unread image, one unread message. So if you click on it, and here it is.